Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is a Ford F250 Super Duty grill. I thought I would make a quick video of how to assemble one of these, seeing how there is, I don't know what, like 8 or 9 pieces. These grills, if you get one smashed, these pieces aren't cheap. These are probably 170 bucks. Anyway, let's go through and show you how this all snaps together. You got to have the main piece that holds everything together that snaps on the truck. And then what I like to do is this chrome outer piece. It snaps right on here. I like to put it on first so I can see that it's seated in these little clips back here, because once, there you go, once it's on this, it's hard to push it together. You want to have that little click together. There we go. And then that has these tabs that have to go through, and they sit in that hole, and then they push down and click together. Now, the chrome one doesn't have a side labeled, but the plastic has a right and left labeled, and that is as you sit in the truck. The right one, you can't really, well, I guess you could flip it around upside down and put it on the other side. So that snaps in there together, and there you go. So 2 pieces for that outer chrome. Now, the other side is the same. It snaps onto the mount piece, and it is the left side. Make sure you have this sitting here the right way, top up. And be careful with these tabs putting them on, because you don't want to snap the little edges off. This chrome piece right here is like 75 bucks. This is all Ford. I don't buy the aftermarket when I'm doing the chrome bumper or the chrome grill, because I don't want to have the chrome of the grill starting to peel off. And I do a lot of these Ford trucks. So snaps in, and just make sure you got it seated. It should snap in pretty easy. There we go, just make sure that's all seated. Now, the chrome top and bottom pieces, they have things that slide into a hole, and then L-shaped hooks all through there. The top one is a different part number with an A, and that's a B, yeah, B, I think it is B and A. But I think this is orientated, so you can't really put this one on the top like this anyway. So that fits into the little holes on each side. And that'll pop in. And what I like to do is flip this over and see as that pops through. Make sure I'm not forcing it and breaking stuff. Hopefully you can see okay as I'm doing this. And make sure they're all seated properly. You might just have to use a little push the black support. All right, do the last one here. Same thing. The little round ones go in the holes, and these clips go in. Oh. Just make sure that's all lined up. go. Good. And make sure everything's just done nice the first time. Once you get it kind of orientated before you put it together, because once this is all clipped together, this is just a bugger to get all this on clip, because you got to on clip each piece and they all break as you're trying to get it off. Now, there's the outer chrome, top and bottom chrome. The big centerpiece goes right here, the Ford logo. I put that on last, but the big one is this big outer chrome piece. And be careful with this. All right, so that goes on like that. Super, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Super Duty. That's not how you spell it. All right, flip that over like that. There we go. Make sure it's on the top. And I'm just messing around. I knew Super Duty went on the top. All right, so now this one, same thing. You want to line it all up before you start clipping everything together. And there's a great big one that goes through there and over here. And I'm doing it on this soft area here because you don't want to scratch the chrome before you get it on the truck. And this outer area surround of this chrome, I think this is like almost $400 just for the chrome outer area. So there you go. There is a Ford grill. Now I'm gonna go over and actually put this on the truck over here. And when you put this on the truck, these bottom clips down here, they actually slip right in there. And so get those all lined up. It's actually kind of tough to see. It's going to be a little dark. And then once you get those all lined up, then the very top has these tabs, and those tabs will line up right here, and these rivets go right in these tabs and then press down to secure that in there. And there's 6 of those, and I think the part number for those rivets is right there. Hopefully that's the same part number. Part numbers can change. There's a different size rivet that looks exactly the same. That's for the bumper, to put on all the bumper skirt and whatnot. All right, once you get those in, then just go back down to the bottom before you put in all of them. Make sure the bottom is seated down here and push it in. And then put the Ford logo in there as well. You can do it before or after, whatever you want to do. All right, hope that was helpful. Hopefully you never have to buy a grill for the Ford. And just to let you know, platinum grills, they're like a nickel finish, and they're twice as expensive. So don't drive your platinum into a post. Take care.